Good morning, everyone. And let us start with the students of 8th standard who are participating in the social science exhibition. The first participant from the 8th standard being Kushagra Soyal from 8th B. Kushagra Soyal from 8th B. Kushagra, Kushagra, there is some technical problem from your end. There is some technical problem from your end. Please आप उसे ठीक कीजिए. प्लीज आप उसे ठीक कीजिए और हम आपका नाम दोबारा से बोलेंगे. उस टाइम पे आप अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन दीजिएगा. ओके ओके कुशाग्रा, am I clear to you? Now let us move on to the next participant, Tejas Chaudhary. Tejas Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am.
8th B. Tejas Chaudhary from 8th B.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Tejas Chaudhary of class 8B. I prepared my project on three branches of Indian government. Those are legislature, second is executive, and third is judiciary. So first we will talk about legislature. Legislature makes law, approves the presidential appointments, and there are two type of houses in parliament. One is Lok Sabha and second is Rajya Sabha. In Lok Sabha, there are 45 seats in which two are nominated by the president and they are directly elected. And second is Rajya Sabha, in which 245 seats are there and 12 are elected by nominated by president and they are indirectly elected known as MPs. Now we will talk about executive. Executive, there are two type of bodies named president and second is prime minister. He exercises only nominal powers. Second, the president supervises all the political institution. Third, all all laws and major policy decision of the government are issued in his or her name. Now, the prime minister. He coordinates the work of different departments. He exercises general supervision of the different ministers. His decisions are final in case disagreement arise between the departments. And there are two type of body which work under the prime minister, are the council of minister and the cabinet minister. And there are three type of body which work for state, are the governor, chief minister, and the council of minister. Now we will talk about judiciary. Judiciary is very important thing for the citizen point of view. Judiciary is responsible for the resolving the disputes and this is very important for judiciary to apply the law to specify the cases and to settle the disputes. Thus the judiciary exercise judiciary interview over the legislature and executive action. And now we will talk about that there are three type of courts. First is district court, second is high court, and third is Supreme Court. Thank you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the permanent house? Which house is known as the permanent house? Out of these two, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, which one is permanent?
The Lok Sabha.
Lok Sabha.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Why it is permanent? Tell me something about this. Why you are saying that, this is a permanent house?
Sir, because there are means there are 545 seats and they are directly elected.
That's why it is permanent.
Yes, sir.
But it may dissolve after 5 years. After maturity of its time, it may dissolve. So how you can say that is a permanent house?
Sir, by ruling.
By ruling.
Yes, sir.
But your answer is wrong. Actually, Rajya Sabha is considered as a permanent house because one third of its members are retiring after 2 years. Two years means tenure is 6 years. So one third is retiring after every 2 years, and then again they are re-elected. So that house is the permanent house. Okay. Which house having the more power out of
Sir,
more power
sir,
is
the Lok Sabha has 45 seats. So,
I'm asking about powers. They are having some powers now.
yes, sir.
So which is
Sir, Rajya
powerful?
Sabha.
Rajya Sabha is more powerful.
Yes, sir.
Again, your answer is wrong. More powerful is Lok Sabha. Except एक क्या है money bill. It can be passed by the Lok Sabha. If it is failed in Rajya Sabha, then it will consider as a pass. Because they are directly elected by the people. That's why some more powers are given to the Lok Sabha. Okay. जगन्नाथ सर कुछ पूछना चाह रहे हैं.
Why judiciary should be independent? Why judiciary should be independent?
Sir, judiciary is independent because nowadays many type of pressure and other things are on judiciary.
Who appoint the judges of the judiciary?
The Supreme Court.
No. What is the role of the government?
The role of government to rule the country perfectly.
Once again,
To rule the government perfectly.
how many types of governments are there?
Repeat.
How many levels of governments are there? How many levels of governments are there?
The two.
No.
The three.
None. Name them.
The legislature, executive, and judiciary.
No, that is no type. Local government,
Yes, sir. Local government, central government, and district government.
that is correct. State government, yes, state. कुछ पूछेंगे मैडम?
Okay, Tejas. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Tejas, for answering the questions. Now, moving on to the next participant, Anusha Yadav of 9th A. Anusha Yadav
Yes,
of
ma'am.
9th A. Anusha,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
you made a model. Very good. Please explain your model.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anusha Yadav and I study in class 9th A. Today I am going to explain you the causes and management of air pollution. Pollution, the introduction of contaminants into the natural environment causing adverse effect. Easy, isn't it? Its definition? But I will say its effects are rather dangerous. Pollution is divided into many types: water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution, and air pollution. Air pollution is a serious problem in today's world. It is not only getting harmful particles in the air. The harmful particles also enter inside us in our respiratory system. It's not only hazardous for humans, it's hazardous for animals too. The main causes of air pollution are industrialization, transportation, and the most important, the increasing need of human beings. They are cutting trees and burning fuel just for their needs. Some are even smoking and bursting crackers for their entertainment. As every problem has a solution, air pollution can be also controlled by switching to renewable energy, using cleaner, non-toxic raw materials in industries, um, increasing the use of public transport and carpooling, in replacing petrol and diesel by CNG, Switching off lights when not in use, saying no to plastic, using the principle of recycle and reuse, mm, avoiding bursting crackers, reducing forest fires and smoking, and installing filters in chimneys, and the most important, saving trees and planting more and more trees. If we, as responsible human beings, follow these rules strictly, then definitely we can control air pollution. Otherwise, if it will not be dangerous for us, then it will be very badly dangerous for our upcoming generation. So reduce air pollution. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Anusha, for giving a brief explanation on air pollution. Now, moving on to the judges for the questions.
Anusha,
Yes, sir.
आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Can you give some examples of renewable resources?
Solar energy, wind energy.
Okay. Solar and wind.
Yes, sir.
What about tidal? Geothermal?
Yes,
Tidal energy.
I don't know about it, sir.
Okay. Tell me, what are the causes of water pollution? What are the main causes of water pollution? Some causes are there, na, for water pollution?
Throwing garbages by human beings.
Okay. Then?
They are washing clothes and
Okay.
disposing materials in rivers.
What about fertilizer and chemicals they are using?
Sir, the agriculture. they use it.
Okay.
Yes, Anusha,
Yes, sir.
how the plants and trees, they help to reduce the carbon.
They take it inside for using photosynthesis.
Yes,
They take it inside for using photosynthesis.
yes. How many types of pollutions are there?
Sir, I only know about 4: water pollution, air pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution.
Okay.
Yes, Anusha, you have explained about the management and causes of air pollution, right?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
what is the impact of air pollution on human health?
Ma'am, health. It affects our health, our respiratory system, our lungs.
Okay, name some diseases caused by the air pollution or contaminated air, we can say.
Cancer.
Which kind of cancer?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Why? Air
That's
is
it.
directly related to our respiratory system, right? So it causes lung cancer. Okay. Any other disease?
Cough and cold are also caused by them.
Yes, very good, very good. Thank you so much, Anusha. Thank you, Anusha, for the explanation and the beautiful model that is prepared by you. Calling our next participant, Bhavishya Chauhan. Bhavishya Chauhan.
Good morning, teachers. My name is Bhavishya Chauhan. I study in 10th standard. This is my project based on health, hygiene, and cleanliness. Then, ma'am, I started.
Yes. Bhavishya, you can start your explanation. Go ahead.
Ma'am, first, what is health? Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. For a healthy life cycle, person needs to have a balanced diet, has to take exercise, lives in proper shelter, takes enough sleep, have good hygiene. Then next, disease. Disease means the body. Our health is affected not only by the unbalanced diet but also by the disease, infection, poverty, large family, overcrowded house, etc. Then my next is hygiene. Conditions or practice conductive to maintain health and preventing disease, especially through cleanliness. Then what factors are good for hygiene? Bath regularly, trim your nails, brush your teeth twice a day, wash your hands, get a plenty of rest, 8 to 10 hours a night. Then what is cleanliness? The state of or quality of being clean or being kept clean. Then what is the advantages of cleanliness? Kill germs, keep us healthy, boost mental health, preventing us from harmful diseases. Then in this model, in our daily life, we have to use 3R principle. That is reduce, recycle and reduce, reuse and recycle. In this project, I use cars. We have to use electric car in place of gasoline cars. They are better for environment. Electricity can be renewable resource. Gasoline cannot. They are less expensive and require less frequently maintenance. Then we put 3 types of dustbin. First is dry waste. For dry waste, example bottles, can, clothes, plastic, wood, glass, metal, etc. Then second is wet waste. All items that are organic like food items, solid food, soiled food, vapors, hygiene products, yard waste. Then third is household waste. Disposable material generated by household, example fruit, vegetable, cardboard, wood, etc. Then there is an organic farm. In this organic farming is done. What is organic farming? Organic farming is defined as production of crop, animals and other products without the use of synthetic chemical fertilizers. There, in chemical farming, there is advantages like farmers can reduce their production cost because they do not need to buy expensive chemicals and fertilizers. Healthier farm workers. In the long term, organic farming save energy and protect the environment. It can slow down global warming, avoidance of soil pollution. Then what is the cons? Products may be too expensive for poor people. Then what is
Bhavesh,
health?
very
Yes,
good, Bhavesh.
ma'am.
Very good explanation you are giving. You have used the term socially healthy, right?
My social well-being.
Social well-being, and you have told in health definition that a person is considered to be healthy when it is physically, mentally, and socially healthy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I want you to explain a little bit about social healthy. How a person you consider? Yes.
Ma'am, our environment, like our neighbors are good and they don't use.
किसी भी पर्सन को आप सोशली हेल्दी कब कहोगे? क्या फीचर्स या क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होने चाहिए उस पर्सन में?
मैम, उसका बैकग्राउंड अच्छा हो, उसका नेबर्स आर गुड, उसका नेबर में कोई गंदगी नहीं हो, वेस्ट फ्री एंड डिजीज फ्री.
तो फिर वो पर्सन कैसे सोशली हेल्दी कहलाएगा? जब उसका नेबरहुड अच्छा हुआ तो उस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन में क्या क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए? उसका इंटरेक्शन जो है लोगों के साथ अच्छा होना चाहिए, काइंड, हम्बल,
सराउंडिंग्स क्लीन रखना चाहिए उसे. सराउंडिंग्स को क्लीन,
सराउंडिंग्स को क्लीन रखना चाहिए. ओके, आई एम आस्किंग अबाउट सोशल हेल्थ. सोशली कैसे एक पर्सन हेल्दी होता है? यू नो अबाउट इंट्रोवर्ट एंड एक्सट्रोवर्ट्स?
नो मैम.
ओके, सो सोशली हेल्दी हम उस पर्सन को कहेंगे जो आपकी क्लास में, इफ आई टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ योर क्लास, एक बच्चा है जो बिल्कुल अकेला बैठा रहता है, वो किसी के साथ बात करना पसंद नहीं करता. ठीक है, तो सो वी कैन से दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टूडेंट इज नॉट सोशली एक्टिव, राइट? हम यही कहेंगे कि वो पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करता है, टीम वर्क नहीं है. Okay, that person is considered
Okay.
as not socially healthy or socially unhealthy. राइट आप सभी लोगों के साथ
Okay.
सोसाइटी में रहते हैं, सोसाइटी में हमें सभी के साथ कम्युनिकेट करना चाहिए, इंटरैक्ट करना चाहिए, और ऐसे ही पर्सन को हम सोशली हेल्दी पर्सन बोलेंगे. ओके यस
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, one question to you.
Yes, sir.
What things are essential for good health? Only tell the
Good.
main.
Bath regularly.
Yes.
Brush your teeth twice a day. Trim your nails. Get a plenty of rest 8 to 10 hours. Wash your hands.
Okay, ठीक है.
Thank you, Bhavishya. Now, calling our next participant, Devyansh Rao from 10th A. List में check कीजिए मैंने. ठीक है. Now, Devyansh, you're not available for presentation, so I'm calling Garima Sulaya. Garima Sulaya. Harshil, 10th A. Ritika Meghwal from 10th A. Alisha Ali.
Alisha is there?
Himanshu Saini. Himanshu Saini.
एक इनका दोनों का नंदिनी हेडा का उसका तो सागर पावर पूछ रहे थे माला
कुशाग्रा सोयाल को एक बार ले लीजिए, इसका नहीं हुआ है. कुशाग्रा को ले लीजिए. है मैम, है. कौन था? जी लेती हूँ. Kushagra, can you come on the video? Can you keep your video on? Thank you. Your time for explanation starts now.
Good morning. My name is Sudhanu. I study in class 8. Today I am going to explain you clear of
Kushagra, we want to see you clearly. आपका face नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है वीडियो में. Please put your phone in a position which captures your face, and your chart paper. We can't hear you, Kushagra. Yes, I think now it's a bit clear.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
can you start with your explanation? Please try to be near the mic.
Yes, ma'am.
We can't hear you properly. Kushagra, please try to speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start your explanation.
Good morning. teachers. My name is Sudhanu. I am studying in class 8. Today I am going to explain you period of history. Period of history is divided into 3 main parts. Ancient period, medieval period, and modern period. Ancient
खुशाग्र माइक जो है प्लीज अपने पास में रखिए. एक काम कीजिए, जहां पर भी माइक है, बी इट योर ईयरफोन्स और एनीथिंग, या आपका फोन का स्पीकर हो, आप उसके पास में जाके अपनी पूरी एक्सप्लेनेशन दे दीजिए. एट द एंड वी विल हैव अ लुक एट योर चार्ट पेपर. खुशाग्र, प्लीज वीडियो ऑन कीजिए.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is audible. Oh.
खुशाग्र, आप प्लीज अच्छी तरह से एक्सप्लेनेशन कर दीजिए, स्पीकर के पास में रह के, या फिर आपका जो ईयरफोन है उसके स्पीकर के पास, उसके स्पीकर को पास में रखकर.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
प्लीज कंटिन्यू योर एक्सप्लेनेशन. Please continue your explanation.
good morning, teacher. My name is Sudhanu, sir, of class 8B. Today I am going to explain you period of history. The period of history is divided into 3 main parts: ancient, medieval and modern period. In ancient period, it is the beginning of birth of Indus Valley civilization and Harappa civilization. It flourished the Western Asia for 2500 BC. Now we come to second period. That is medieval period. Medieval period is also known as Middle Age because it is between ancient and modern period. In this time life, the medieval period life is 5th century to late 15th century. The end date of this period is 520. The medieval era is divided into three main parts: late medieval and high medieval. And the third part is after the death of Aurangzeb in 1707, in India, the modernization includes urbanization, transportation, communication, and expansion of trade. It takes Europe in 15th century India. It takes in 18th century. Thank you.
Okay, Kushagra. Thank you for the explanation. Now moving on to judges for questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kusagra,
Yes, sir.
आवाज सुन रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
अपनी वीडियो ऑन करो.
अपने वीडियो ऑन करो.
हाँ, yes.
I ask you some questions.
Oh.
Describe about the lifestyle of the ancient period. Describe about the lifestyle of the
Sir, in
people
the ancient period,
in the ancient period.
Ma'am, in ancient period, confirm script is written. This system is used around 3200 BC.
आपकी आवाज जो है क्लियर साउंड नहीं आ रहा है आपका.
आपकी आवाज आ जाए काफी है, लेकिन उसको माइक को लेके पास में बोलो, जो भी आपके पास है. हाँ, रिपीट योर आंसर.
Yes.
Sir, in ancient period, cuneiform script is used. This system is used around 3400 BC.
Okay, ठीक है.
Okay, Sohail.
Thank you, sir.
एक बार तो माला को बोला.
Mala, are you online?
Yes, sir.
Mala, are you online?
माला नहीं है ना, माला नहीं, देख लो.
6 की बच्ची है मैडम, 6 की
नंदनी हेडा को
बच्ची है.
देख लो एक बार फिर.
Nandini Heda, are you online? This is the final call. If you are not online, you will not be given any other opportunity to give your presentation. Now, these are the list of students who have not participated. Divyansh Rao, Garima Sulaya, Harshil, Ritika Megwal, Alisha Ali, Himanshu Sen. We are going to close this exhibition competition.
मैम
Yes, who is it?
मैम मैं क्लास 6 का हूँ. मैं आपका प्रोजेक्ट दिखाना चाहता था पर आपने सुना नहीं.
कौन सा वाला?
राज सिंह हो चुका है.
राज सिंह is there.
सब मार्क्स डाल दिए आपने?
हाँ.
राज सिंह, आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन तो हो चुकी है.
यस मैम, लेकिन मैं बोला था कि मैं अपना प्रोजेक्ट एक बार शो करना चाहता हूँ तो आपने सुना नहीं.
Okay, if you want to take this opportunity, take a minute to showcase your project.
Okay.
Raj Singh, can we see your video? Okay, solar system. This is a working model. Very nice, Raj. You've made a working model. It's working really well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Any questions? Okay. Mala Verma, we want to see you online. We want your presentation. Okay. Mala, your time starts now. Please proceed with the presentation.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, we want to see your project. Your time starts now.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
स्टार्ट करो बेटा।
Mala, please adjust your camera in such a way that we are able to see your model. प्लीज थोड़ी सी लाइटिंग भी ठीक करें और अपना ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है आपका कैमरा को इस तरह से रखें, फोन को इस तरह से रखें कि हम आपका प्रोजेक्ट बहुत अच्छी तरह से देख पाए. Yes. So you prepared a model on solar system. Please continue. Please proceed with the explanation. प्लीज अपनी एक्सप्लेनेशन दीजिए. आपने सोलर सिस्टम बनाया है, प्लीज उसे एक्सप्लेन करें. Say something about solar system.
बोलो नहीं, बोले ना, बोले ना सोलर सिस्टम पे, बोले नहीं, ये अच्छा से बोले ना.
Do you want to give explanation for your project or not, Mala? This is the final call. Okay, Mala, thank you for the model that you have prepared. It's very beautiful. Mala, please mute yourself. Now we've come to the end of the exhibition competition. All the participants have participated in this competition with full enthusiasm and zeal. You've taken a lot of efforts to make the projects, and most of you have given very accurate and to the point answers to the questions that were produced by the judges. Thank you for taking so much of efforts. This is an honor to have such a good participants, to hold a competition which has such beautiful participants who take a lot of efforts. And parents, I would also like to thank you who have taken efforts to make these beautiful projects with their children. You have given the guidance, and some teachers must have also helped them. So a big thank you to the teachers also. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you, बोलिए मैडम. बोले नहीं.